Hey guys, what's up? Today we're working on a pumpkin transfer. We're using our new adorable pumpkin cutouts from Couture. They're wood, they're double-sided, and they're absolutely amazing. I'm using our coordinating pumpkin transfers that come with it. These come in a variety of patterns, stripes, polka dots, this design, and then one other design. They are totally adorable. And then all you do is just lay them on, stick them down, and apply your chalk paste and covering all the screens. I used a little squeegee for this project. I probably could have used our large squeegee to make it go a little bit faster. So grab the large squeegee when you're working on this project, peel to reveal, and see how awesome that is. This argyle is so cool. Now what I'm doing here is I'm just sanding down the edges to rough it up a bit because I loved vintage and distress. So that's my jam. If it's not yours, skip the sanding step, and then you can see the finished product at the end. Oh my gosh, how cute, right?